Hi, hello, yes. All right, so we have a question here under solubility of salts, and the question is when 20 cm cube of saturated sodium chloride solution at 25 degrees Celsius was evaporated to dryness, 5 grams of the dry salts was obtained. What is the solubility of sodium chloride at that particular temperature? And we are given the mass numbers of sodium and chlorine. All right, if you look at that question critically, you find out that the question centers on solubility of solid, of salt in water. And what is the formula for solubility? It's right here on the board. Solubility mole per dm cube equal to mass in grams divided by molar mass in gram per mole times 1000 all over the volume in cm cube. Now let's now define our parameters. From the question here, we are given the mass of that particular salt to be what? 5 gram, right? 5 gram. And the volume, and we are told that the volume was what? The volume is 20 cm cube. What about the molar mass? What is the molar mass in that question? We are not given a specific molar mass, but we are given the molar mass of sodium and chlorine. And let's now do that molar mass. Remember, molar mass is just the summation of the mass numbers of the elements involved in that particular compound. So the mass number of sodium is 23 plus chlorine is 35.5. And if we sum that up, the molar mass of sodium chloride will be 58.5 gram per mole. Alright, so we've defined all our parameters. We've known what our mass is, molar mass, and our volume. Now let's plug in our parameters in this formula in order to solve for the solubility. Okay, now solubility, like I said, the mass, what is the value for mass is 5, right? Divided by the molar mass we calculated to be 58.5 times 1000 all over the volume, which is 20 cm cube. Now if you simplify all that, this will give us 5000 divided by, and this will give us 1170. If we do that, our final answer for solubility will equal to 4.27. And what's the unit for solubility? Like I said, mole per dm cube. Mole per dm cube. So the solubility of sodium chloride